Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. On July 28, 2021, I received an SMS from LBC Express saying that I'll be receiving a delivery shipment. And I was kind of confused because I really wasn't expecting to receive any orders or anything. And then LBC Express came and I read the box, and it's from Beauty and Butter. Thank you so much, Beauty and Butter, for this awesome surprise. You guys might be wondering how they got my address. Well, recently I bought Morgan Taylor polishes at their Shopee, and I think they got it from there. Okay, so inside this big LBC box, it's a Beauty and Butter Nail Lounge paper bag. And it has a super cute Beauty and Butter ribbon and a card. Let's read the card. Hi Jham, here's a little surprise for you. Get salon-worthy nails at home with our Morgan Taylor Make a Splash collection, giving you more reasons to smile amidst this pandemic. Spread the love, your Beauty and Butter Nail Lounge family. Let me show you what's inside. We have 5 shades from Morgan Taylor's Make a Splash collection. This is flip-flops and tube tops. Then lemonade in the shade. Cellophane coat, 1 piece or 2, and feeling swimsicle. Now let's watch these 5 gorgeous shades sent by Beauty and Butter Nail Lounge. Of course, before every swatch, I apply a peel-off nail mask. Let's first swatch flip-flops and tube tops. As you can see with the first coat, it dries matte with a bit of sparkle. Now let's apply the second coat. Flip-flops and tube tops is a very striking pink shade that has a matte finish, but it has some silver sparkles too. Second shade to swatch is Lemonade in the shade. Now let's apply the second coat. Lemonade in the shade is a very pretty neon shade that doesn't need a white base to show its very bright neon color. This also dries matte. Then we have an effect topper from this collection, and it's called Cellophane Coat. Now for the second coat. Cellophane Coat has an iridescent glow with violet and blue shift. This one has a super classy and glossy finish. Then we have the shade One Piece or Two. Now for the second coat. One Piece or Two is a very deep plum shade with a matte finish. And the last shade we have is Feeling Swimsicle. I had a bit of a hard time capturing the real color of this nail polish. On camera, it looks a bit blue, but in person, it leads to a much green shade, like a teal color. Now for the second coat. Feeling Swimsicle is a teal shade in person, but looks kinda blue on camera. This one dries matte as well. I really want to try out the cellophane coat on all of the 4 shades. So, let's apply it on my Skittle swatch. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I super love their brush. As you can see on my swatch, it can really paint a whole nail in one application. Loving that their neon shade doesn't need a white base. They dry super fast and it's in a 15 ml bottle. You can shop more Morgan Taylor nail polishes on Beauty and Butter at Shopee, together with other great nail care and nail polish brands. I'll be leaving the link on the description box below, together with their IG and Facebook pages. And that's it for today. Once again, I want to thank Beauty and Butter Nail Lounge for this surprise gift. I really love it so much. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!